Hey guys, Groom, my golden doodle with me. So first we're gonna start off with brushing her teeth, and my dog, she doesn't really like this process, but she loves to lick the toothpaste off of the toothbrush, and it's really funny to watch because I'm here struggling to brush her teeth and she's just trying to lick it. And right here I'm trying to do her bottom teeth, but she keeps putting her tongue in between her teeth and her, like, the toothbrush, so it's really funny. So now that we're done brushing her teeth, we're gonna dry shampoo her, and right here she would not get up, so this is just a little funny clip to watch. Okay, now that she finally came, we're gonna put some dry shampoo in our hands, and here she loves this part because she gets all those nice rubs and scratches, and she just gets a nice massage going on everywhere. Now we're going to brush her fur, and again she loves this part because she gets really nice scratches everywhere, so on her head, on her body, sometimes her paw. She loves it. Everything's done, it's time for some fun, some tricks. So really, I don't really teach her a lot, so all she's doing here is jumping, and then I taught her how to sit, give me her paw, laying down, all that fun stuff. So here I'm about to tell her not to eat the tree, and when I told her to you can take it now, she wouldn't go, so it's really funny. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.